Americans. Your fingers covering.
No, now it is. Now my fingers covering. Okay, go ahead.
Another friend. Hello, Americans. And other friends and subscribers around the world. This kid has been a goofball over there. So we're up here, man, in the beach. This, which I'll hold the camera out here because this windshield, man, we took off in the beast.
Little dirty.
Windshield, yeah. She hasn't really been off the property for a couple of years. She's using more as a tractor around there, but I'll show this. This is actually the road that, if you look back a couple of videos ago, we came in, man, there was no tire tracks and stuff. We were trying to come up in here, or we did, in the green bean. This is it now. A lot of the snow has melted. So the road's clear right now, but there's still some snow up here. But tonight and the next day, or tonight, tomorrow, and the next day, got another big storm coming in, and I got Hunter back there, and talk about that, man. Don't want to go plowing in right on that gas. We'll walk in on this other end of it. That's one thing, man. When you're up in the hills, don't crowd the people, man. These days, I've noticed we haven't, obviously we haven't camped out for a while because we live it. We camp out every day.
Yes, we do.
But, nothing drives me. It's kind of like a fishing hole when they come in and, crowd in there, man. That is not the Idaho mountain way.
There's enough room for everyone, so just spread out.
Go find your own day place. But anyway, squirrel! Heck was I saying? Oh, got this big storm, and it's supposed to get low 20s, I think, tonight, and start raining on the homestead, which they keep going back and forth. It's pretty funny. I was showing Miss Kitty every 10 minutes last night. We were sitting in the recliners showing her how it would change every 10 minutes. With snowflakes. No snowflakes. That's down on the homestead, the creek bottom. Up here, definitely snowflakes.
Definitely.
But headed up to see, shouldn't have a problem getting into our highest fence, I don't think. Probably going to be walking in some snow. Won't take me long for that. And now we're going to pull over here and probably film a little bit, maybe too. Got to walk this fence. What's up, boys and girls? Let me tell you something about that dog. Kai is so big. Oh, hey, Miss Kitty. Kai is so big, bad, and tough in the back of the truck. But he got knocked on his butt by a cow when we were up fishing one time. And if he's not in the back of this truck, big, bad cow dog, he's not so big, bad. What's up, man? Hey, buddy. Grouse is. There's one crazy dog. Look at him turn his head sideways and look at Kai. Oh, buddy. Stay hid, my friend. Stay hid. And away she goes. So like I said in that, which I would have made, man, they make good grouse jambalaya. But that is the, I got one in the freezer, but that I was saving to do jambalaya. And I could have took that one out. But being that that's only the 8th grouse that I've seen since the season opened, I just ain't gonna do it, man. Not that some hunter won't come along and get him, but you know, we usually, it's pretty inclined right here. I'm out of breath, but we usually in a season will get anywhere from 20 to 40 birds, and you know, it's all a 10-year cycle, but you know, just letting him or her do her thing, it's only going to help bring him back. So help him keep going on. Conservation, baby. Lucky man. Now the big push to the top. For one thing, there's they've squished this wire. I'm getting no reading on this charger whatsoever. Brand new batteries and good motherboard. Yeah. Other than that, some brand new batteries and good motherboard. Not a pinch. Crazy fools. First thing I'm doing is taking this off. I'm going to turn this on. So you can see. I'll test it. Let's see. This thing's better than dead. Better than dead. So then, I don't know how much of this will keep in the video, but hey, what the heck. Break out the dang tools. Screwdriver. Maybe crescent. Turn it off. Thing we're doing right now, put these 2 new batteries I packed in, brand new. Ones. No sign of cows up this high. They're all moving low. We already know that. So really I'm just doing this because I said I would. So with the big storm, I really don't expect too much. You know, the cows are gone, you know, and I would pretty much figure that this is going to be our last time we got today, and then we got 2 more times as long as everything stays according to plan. And the cows, man, they're all down low, so they should get picked up, so we should be done. Should be done. 2 more times. That's what I was trying to get at. Pop this little cover off like that. Bend up the little light. Take one of the new batteries here. Ooh. Might have been a problem right there. Get home because that little clip, that little ground might have See the little light? You can see the light. But you can hear it ticking. Oh, here you go. And what that does is give you the surge.
Oh, he was talking to me. He was talking to yourself.
I was talking to the world, Miss Kitty. I think it might have been the connection, so I got to check. Oh, these actually, that's funny, dude. You guys are so full of crap. Those are marked 2015. And there was a sticky note on the inside. It says, the brand new batteries and
Not working or something?
no, brand new batteries and motherboard. Brand new batteries. It says right on it, 2015. That's funny.
I spooked something up.
Huh?
I spooked something up.
Oh, really? Bigfoot?
I don't know, man.
It's a Bigfoot country. Sasquatch. Miss Kitty might have seen a Sasquatch.
I didn't see nothing, just heard.
Was it something big like an elk or a bear? Or?
I couldn't hear feet on the ground. Hooves or nothing. Just branches and stuff.
No, I don't like you taking off without a firearm.
Kai was with me, and I paused and then retreated.
And retreated.
Retreat!
I
Nah,
started running like hell.
I'm sure it was just a deer.
Could have been elk. I'd love to see an elk, man. It's like seeing that grouse, man. Just all this time. To get as many people as we had in here last year, man. It just worries me. And then the dang winter kill that year, remember?
Yes.
I can't even remember the count on how many.
A lot.
Actually, look back on our videos, and
We went over here.
yeah, there was a winter kill. How long ago was that? 3 years?
That was
Or
the hardest
year
winter.
of the big year, huh?
Yeah, so this will
that's
be...
3 years?
Yep, 3 years.
Man, and somewhere on there, I've got the count of how many dead deer and elk we found. Just in the, I mean, it was, oh, that was a crazy year. So, you know, you look at this, man. What kind of, this is my office, my recliner, my little friend.
Is that your Scentsy?
Tree hugger. The whole time up here, I'm thinking, oh, dude, I'm going to have to sit in the snowbank. So I'm just glad that I love this little spot right now.
Yeah, it is. It's a nice area. Very pretty.
Film.
Yeah, I'm just showing some scenery.
Oh, you could walk down for me if you want. Can I put this together? Get in the water. Kind of hard for a fish to get up that right there. Yeah. Yeah, this is what we do. We just do what we're told. I wouldn't give this job up for nothing. So they say, hey, I need you to go put batteries on there. Yes, sir. Because I do love this job. I am ready for it to be over this year. I do love it, but there ain't a sign of a cow one up here, man. Yeah, we got right at a 4 point down here. It's not funny. It's crazy. Crazy. Now we're going to walk down this one. And this one is just barbed wire. Hey, Purdy. They look cold. Mushroom. Cha-ching. Ooh, look at that. Selling stuff on top of the mountain. Huh? Selling a coffee mug when we're at 6,200 feet in the middle of nowhere. We actually had cell service. Look at this, Miss Kitty. Little mushrooms.
When I went up while you were changing out that battery, there was a green one and one that was kind of a yellowish orange.
Wow, did you eat it?
They were frozen.
Well, there's a whole bunch here.
I can see them around your feet.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Well, you come up in here every time we're up here in the house, especially with the snow. It's like, oh man, you ain't gonna be able to come up in my forest for a bit. Oh man, I ain't going through there. I almost hate it, Miss Kitty. Huh? That bird, I don't know if I caught it on video because I had to dig.
I turned around, couldn't see you, waited for a sec, saw the birds, watched them, and I walked over here to see if I could see you, and you were filming them.
The one I was trying to film, and every time that you'd walk a little farther, he'd fly one branch closer to you, one branch closer to you. And then,
were they red-tailed hawks? Is that what
no, they're those,
Kestrels?
they might be castrals. They're those ones, the first time that we'd seen one that we identified, it was right here. And I was like, dude, I don't know if I've ever seen those, you know, down below.
Right.
And when I first seen it, I thought it was a jay, blue jay. And I got the glasses, and when he was following you, I don't know if I got him, you know, going behind you or not, because I didn't have, so I dug out my dang
reading
yeah,
glasses.
'cause I can't see crap.
Can't see the screen of the camera. You can see a mile down the road, but you can't.
Yeah, exactly. I can see way out there, but then when I try to find it on the screen, then you zoom in, it's so hard to pick it out.
Hey!
Must have been drinking a beer there at the hacksaw debate. This fence, we got those two, man, not a cow in sight on any of them.
No traps, no fresh curds.
The chain that we ordered for the chainsaw. So right now we're just grabbing and loading what we can. I got me one of my lodgefuls. And oh, look at this, man. So as we go by, I look down and I see a tire, and at first I just kept on going. It's got some weather check there. First I just kept on going, and then I thought, dude, that was a spare tire that bounced out of somebody's rig or something. It's actually got quite a bit of weather check, but still a good spare, man. Look at the tread on this brand new dang tire that never got used. Whoa, Firestone. I'll get that, Miss Kitty, you crazy woman. Yeah, don't you do it. Look at that, brute. Woo! So now, not only are we junkers, our children are junkers, our dog. He just came out of the woods with that. So even our dog is trained to find treasures. Good boy. But I think we'll go ahead and
Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye. So we're gonna pick up some wood, load this wood, and always go back, especially in the beast. It's not quite as inexpensive to drive. Yeah, economical. So we're gonna get a load of wood together and get on back down and get some wood in, get some wood covered because of the storm, man. And tonight's gonna be a cold mother and that crazy little fly bee thing. Get ready for that next storm, man. It's coming. It's coming on, so we'll film that. We're real excited.
Yeah, and thanks for going over and checking out Katie's stuff.
Yeah, to all y'all that's been going over there and checking that out. Kevyn D's he's been working on his too, so when he gets some stuff, we'll put it out there too. Never know what, man, all my us junkers and all our little junking kids. Please remember to like, subscribe, share. Helps keep the lights on, the home fires burning. Propane tanks food. We got quite a few to fill. And check out the links below. Got a big sale going on eBay. Try to do quite a few sales and switch it around. Different stuff on sale. 50% off or 40% off, I think, this week. So check it out, man. And other than that, good Lord willing. I was trying to think, what else do I say? Because that helps keep the videos coming. Good Lord willing, the creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya.